everybody, it's Renari. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So last time we did Mama, we did the debut for EXO, and now it's time for Wolf. And a lot of you guys have been saying it's mixed. I'm either going to love it or I'm going to hate it immediately, but it will grow on me. Or that when I watch that live show where they did Mama and Wolf, I believe it's that one, they like remixed it a little bit and everyone says that's the superior version, or like the live version is superior. No one said that I had to do the lyrics prior to doing the video for this one, but I figured I might as well because since it's not a 6-minute video like Mama, this should be shorter than half an hour like last time, even though you guys didn't mind. But let's get into it. We'll start with the lyric video and then get into the exo-k and exo-m version. And if you are just finding my channel, please subscribe down below. You can follow me on Twitter for updates and other things, and comment down below as well so I can chat with you guys. Okay, so I'm literally not expecting anything, but look at these. Look at them. What are these outfits? That is so 2012. Wow. Okay, I don't know. Their outfits every time just don't age. I mean, it shows their age for sure. But you know what? They're not that bad. They're really not that bad. Okay, sorry. Let's see what the song is about. Got the wolf howling. I like a traditional instrument, traditional song. Okay, I get that they're being wolves. That's what the lyrics are saying, they're wolves, but I'll eat you more elegantly than wine. Channel. Okay, I wasn't expecting a rap to start the song. What? What? She's just one bite. What the hell is the song? Okay. So it is about like a woman, but a wolf. So I don't know if that's like super metaphorical or whatever in nature, but what just happened? Like, what was that? What was that one part where they all... Kai was rapping fast. I don't know what's... I'm very confused. This part. What is that? It's like a quartet style. I feel like that lyric did not age well, but different time. I love you. Why is that in there? I like this part. I like this part with the growling in the background. The vocal part is very good. Baekhyun. I'm just imagining Kyungsu actually like saying this, not singing this, but saying this line and saying it in English. Okay. I don't know what the song is trying to do. I don't know if it's trying to be like a rock song or a rock song or... Like, it's not that aggressive. That's I think where I'm getting caught off guard, is that the song itself the instrumental and stuff, it's actually not that aggressive in the way that they're coming in, like even the rapping parts, it's not like all in your face, like, oh, it's not grr wolf, it's a little subdued. So I'm like confused about the concept a little bit, but you guys warned me about that, and I don't know what the videos, I don't know how this relates to their storyline at all, or how the video is going to put that in, but I don't like that I love you part. I feel like the chorus would have been better without it. Or maybe it's just the lyrics, I don't know. I can't get enough of their voices, obviously. Woo! Is that harmony? Is that just Bacon? It sounded like two people. I love this part. I really love this part. Oh, the high notes in the background, ad-libs. Oh, Kyung-soo! It also sounds like they're saying Ulf. Ulf. They're not pronouncing the W, but they're saying it in English, right? Like, I don't know the... But yeah, they're saying wolf in English, but it's coming out like Ulf in their pronunciation, which is like fine, whatever. But it is catching me off guard every time. Ulf. Oh, and this song started with like this like traditional instrumentation too, that was weird. Like for the rest of the song, that was a little bit weird. Okay, so we're gonna do the exo-k version first as usual, but the song, haven't wrapped my head around it yet. I don't hate it. I don't instantly hate it. I just didn't like the opening, I guess, and the one part of the chorus. Like the chorus itself wasn't that bad. I don't like the I love you part put into it. I feel like it just like comes out of nowhere, and it's like obviously there's the more aggressive chorus part, and then they're putting that I love you and it's higher up. It just seems a little bit cheesy to me. But the actual vocal parts, so what, the like after chorus, I don't know what you call that. I don't know shit. But the part with Baekhyun and Kyung-soo singing was very good. Suho though, gosh, now that I just watched that, I can't even remember Suho's parts. I'll have to, see where he sings here. But I feel like this is more what I would have expected for a debut back in 2012. This style feels more suited for a debut that isn't trying to do all like what Mama did. But Mama is iconic, and I'm so glad that they went with that because that was fucking amazing. This is more like other debuts I feel like I've heard around that time, or other songs I've heard at that time. But it's trying to do a lot, and I just don't know what it's doing. I don't know if that made any sense, but I'm just confused. And this part I don't understand. This instrumental. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's fucking cool. So were they supposed to be like the tree here? Like, I don't know what this actually is. What they're trying to put their bodies together to look like. I can only assume the tree. His rap is really good though. I like Kai's rap the best in the song. Look at your hair. That's the choreography? Oh no. Oops. I like his blondish light brown hair. Look at him. No wonder I was confused about Suho's part, because it's not what I was expecting from him. Oh, that's so cool. That transition is honestly very, very freaking cool. And the eyes stay red for a little bit. I like that. You know what I'm just realizing too? Because I noticed Luhan earlier, I think. Maybe it was Chris in the video. And I was like, okay, they're just showing them. But they're singing in this version. Or at least in the music video, you see them singing. Like Lei is about to sing. That's different from usual. I was about to comment on Jungsu's hair. But this... Why are we getting exo-m like singing on this or rapping on this? I'm just curious. Like, I don't think that's happened in the other ones. It was just showing them. It wasn't actually their vocals. Oh, I almost like it better with all of them. This choreography though. This, I'm never gonna get enough of that. Look at that hat. Okay, is this the two parts of the tree that split? Is that what they're doing here? And I mean, I don't know how that relates to the wolves coming out, but... See, like, that was Baekhyun's in the lyric video. Maybe the lyric video is just wrong. I don't know. I love his little curly mop though. They sound very good together. What is that? I'm sorry, that is just so funny. It doesn't look that bad. What am I trying to say? It doesn't look that bad from the neck down. It's just the aggressive head. Okay, they went hard into the choreography wolf concept though. That's for sure. Oh, that was... Oh, okay. I think it was cool. I just feel like I don't have much to say about it. Oh my gosh, it's so weird. So now I expect in this exo-m version that it's the same video, but it's just the Chinese, you know, this... I don't know actually, because would they sing more on it? But it's going to be in obviously Mandarin, but I don't know. I was just so confused when I was first watching it and seeing the other members. I was like, okay, we've seen that before, but they're actually part of the song in the other one, and like, that's crazy. That is crazy to see. I assume that's Chris. I don't know why I still get them confused, but it's crazy to see Chris and Daniel like on the same track. Tao. Or is that Chris? I don't know why I can't tell in this video. I feel like I didn't get this wrong before. Guhan. Baekhyun. No, it's definitely Tao. I almost like this version more. Okay, opposite. I think I like this one better. It's almost like the language fits a little better for the instrumental, maybe? That, or I'm just getting used to the song and how it works. That part is still my favorite. The ad-libs, Kyungsu, Baekhyun, or Chen. But love it, love it. Okay, he looks really good with his hair, by the way. I got sidetracked, but I like the blonde on the side. What does it say on his ear? What does it say on his ear? I mean, it's not in English, so it doesn't help me, but... Also, I'm not even gonna try to say I love you in Korean because I know I'm gonna say it wrong. I should really practice because that's a pretty basic word or a pretty basic phrase to know. But when they're doing that like this, it's just silly to me. It's just dated to me. And it's just high concept. So this had nothing about the storyline. Unless wolves are now involved in the storyline. This had nothing about the storyline except for potentially what I was saying about the tree. Like, if I'm right about that, I don't know. Was that the last one? That little shot of the wolf? Okay, so of course I was wrong. This video is still pretty long, but I'm still not, like, I feel like you guys definitely want to hear my thoughts on the song, and it's just, I feel like I have to process it for a little bit. I still feel the same as I first did, which is I like some things about the song. I feel like it could have been structured better. maybe. And I also did like the exo-m version better. I don't know. I read a comment on, I think it was maybe Mama, or I don't remember which one it was exactly, so I apologize. But if you remember, we were talking about how sometimes the language, the pronunciation of different languages just sounds better to some instrumentals because you're not trying to like you're not talking too fast for the beat because that's just how Korean versus Mandarin is like just the speed of which you talk is just the speed of which you talk can make things sound so different and it can really upset the instrumental and the balance there. So for me, the XOM version was a little bit better on that. But like they were both speaking Mandarin and Korean, I imagine. Like that's what I heard. Like in XOM version it was all Mandarin, other than I love you, and then in exo-k it was all Korean. Even though we had the mix of the singers and the rappers from the different groups, I wonder why they chose to do that for this one. Like I'm just confused about everything. I feel like I've solidified about knowing what the exo-k versus exo-m versions are has been like intertwined in this one, and now I'm confused. Oh God, I don't know. I don't know. I know it's grown on a lot of you guys. I feel like it could grow on me for sure because I don't hate it. I just feel like I can't formulate my thoughts. This is like the one time I really don't know how I feel about the song. But that was it for Wolf. We've got more music videos in order coming. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.